So I was did the other one is almost like gone. So like I said, oh, it's one of the things is really cool. Is this really good and convenient for clients. So when you're doing this, especially with my nails, I just have to really like holding on the tips. And if you do, you can able to use a tweezer to scoop it out too. But I'm gonna try to use because I have like almost gone. So we're gonna scoop it out first and hold on with me because I'm gonna get all of them out first at once, and then we're gonna spread them using the 3D Duo brush silicone. And you know, it's just really cool. It's fun because earlier when I did it, I said, oh, it's really but it's so worth it because I have to hold like this because my Omega gel is almost gone. I just want to show you how you can able to definitely achieve this. And it's interesting.
So yes, we have base gel on both the glide nail and on the back of the tip itself. And right now, after you keep it for 10 seconds, we're gonna scoop up the Omega gel.
Yes, right here. And just need about like a smaller beads. And it's also depend, like say Emily have a smaller nails, but she had a long nail bed. So did I just drop it? I got it. It's so interesting. I love it. And that's why I like, okay, let me go live because then you are not alone. Because especially when the clients like want to shorten nails. Like I heard a lot of nail techs will complain like, oh my gosh, why you even have to do it like short nails? Why even get a nails done? And then now definitely if you are the clients, you understand the struggle because a lot of clients probably want to get long nails, but because of their work, their tie-up job that they don't, but they still want to have a nice nails. It's really like, they have the right to have a nice nails. And then, hey, if the client's willing to pay and they don't mind to pay, you got it. You don't have to worry about like, so we're not using the 3D Duo brush. But hey, they'll have a short nail, so they still have like the right to have a nice nails on. You can turn it on, the fan's on. Platform.
The fan?
Yeah. Maybe it's like, so what is like here, I'm doing it right now. I already have the Omega gels and it's just spreading it even. You don't have to if you see a lot of videos that I just scoop it up and then I press it down. But here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get it like spread it evenly. So then is help so much better too for the clients have a longer nail bed. So I'm going to spread it even. You see that? It's just like this. And later is going to press it down. So this is like give you like a little bit of extra, couple more minutes extra, but actually is going really nice and smoothly. So Emily has like a long nail bed, but she had a smaller fingernail. So you want to make sure that is the Omega gel is enough for the longer nail bed. Like, I mean, nail plates. Okay. I would say the clients don't want a shorter nails. It's like hard to do. But hey, if they want to pay for the price, even a short, they don't care, then there's no reason not doing it. But hey, however, it's your call. Your business, it's your call. You want to do just long nail clients, do it. If you want just short nail clients, do it. If you want to do just gels only clients, just do it. If you want just acrylics only, do it. If you are doing just dipping only, just do it. If you are doing gel extension only, just do it. If you're doing a hard gels only or a velvety gels, just do it. You do you, whatever work the best for you. So, or you can do all different options. I mean, in your menu, you can do all, or you can do one of your specialty, however you like.